Folks are not thinking about their backyard pools right now, but they are thinking about how they can collect some precious rainwater, Christina.
Yeah, or at least get a free car wash, right, Chris?
Totally.
Good morning to you. Taking a live look here at Ocean Beach, and you can see right on time those clouds steadily increasing, and it's not the usual low clouds that we see over Ocean Beach here. We've got high and mid-level clouds coming in ahead of a storm system that's going to start to impact us over the course of the next 6 hours, although it's hard to tell from this live picture of Mount Hamilton overlooking the Santa Clara Valley. Some clouds out there, those will be increasing as we head throughout the day. So let's talk about what is coming your way, because every time I check, this storm system is looking more and more impressive, more promising for some measurable rainfall totals all across the board, and some cities may accumulate upwards of an inch of rain. So this is a big deal. We've been tracking this for the past couple days, and as of this morning, the most promising outlook so far. 81 degrees for the South Bay today. We're still going to hit about 77 degrees on the peninsula. The east shore's at 72 degrees. You're at your high right now. As that front comes in, the cold air comes with it. So here's the deal. We've got this storm system moving in. It's still really mild out there. You saw how sunny it was in San Jose, but take a look at this well-defined system. This looks like a winter storm. So there's two sides to every system. We're still on the warm side of that, indicated by all these spotty clouds out here wrapping around that center of low pressure. That's cold air that's going to settle into the Bay Area after the front comes through. But what is this front going to do? Let's take a look at that. Still about 6 hours away from our first showers in Ukiah. So we stop that clock for you. Steady rainfall moves into the North Bay at about 8 o'clock tonight. All that activity starts to press into the central portion of the Bay Area by about 1 a.m. and then starts to work its way into the South Bay by 3 a.m. But take a look at this. I stopped that clock for you at 3 a.m. because it looks like the front is going to kind of fall apart, but watch what happens instead. We pull up more moisture. This is a subtropical moisture tap, what we call the weather game changer, and it's looking promising to hit the entire Bay Area, including the South Bay. So this is some really good news when it comes to our drought situation. How much are we going to get? Well, let's talk about that. Clearly, the highest totals are going to come in where that storm system hits first, and that's going to be the Ukiah region. But look at some of the numbers that the models are projecting. Over an inch of rain there, over half of an inch for the North Bay, and just about a quarter of an inch for us here in the South Bay. Here's the deal. We'll get a little bit of a break. That cool air settles in for Friday. We start to warm you up for Saturday into Sunday, and then another round of rain taking shape towards the end of next week. So could this be a pattern change? We're sure hoping so. We'll keep you updated. Back to you, Sam and Chris.
You know, our